Whoa, look at this. This is new. They have some foaming hand soap. Looks just like Bath and Body Works. Look, they have Sugar Dream, citrus sunrise, and some fresh bloom. I wonder how good this smells. They also have the summer breeze. This looks pretty decent. Might have to test this. Get ready to shine. This is some smooth application lip gloss. Look at these colors. These are really pretty colors. Kind of have like a neutral, and they have the, ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love this. I'm also seeing this bold and bright lipstick. Y'all, this looks like a dupe for something, but I can't tell which dupe it is. Hydrogen gel with an eye mask and a lip mask. Okay, is this a one-time use? Let's see. Aloe vera, aloe infused hydro under eye mask helps soothe and depuff under your eyes. Oh, I haven't seen this before. Very interesting. I like it. Case with mirror. There you go, guys. Keep your eyelashes. Holds 3 pairs of false eyelashes. Ooh, and I love those little cherries on there. Hydrating primer serum. It's infused with rose oil. What? $1.25. It looks kind of thin though. I wonder how well that works. Oh, I need to try that. I have a matte finishing spray. Now, I think I have seen this one before. Haven't tried it yet. Y'all let me know if you've ever tried any of these products. Ooh, LED pumpkin lights. These are so cute. I love them. I really wish they had some black cats to match my little kitty. But yeah, $1.25. Those will look cute on for indoor use. Not seen these before. These are very pretty. Does it come undone? I'm almost scared to try and pick it up. Okay, it comes up here. Oh, very cute though. I haven't seen those before. I've not seen this before. This is a light up pumpkin. It's $5. Look, it's LED. They've got this gold one with a turquoise top, and they have the cream one with the black. Oh, and they have actually a teal one. Ooh, I like it. They're also new. These are like kind of almost ceramic. They are $5. They've got this orange one with a gold top, a cream one, and y'all, I think cream is like totally the vibe this year in the turquoise. I have not seen this calligraphy pen. Wow, if you want to get into calligraphy, wow, this would be a great starting point. Looks like it comes with 2 inks. I really like that. Oh, it's like lemons. That's okay. So these candles look pretty high quality. Let's go ahead and give them a sniff test. That actually smells pretty good. It's kind of light and fragrancy. Let's smell this one. This one's Clarity. Let's smell it. Those actually smell pretty good. Really surprised. Usually Dollar Tree doesn't have very good scented candles. They've got some other ones over here. This one is Energize. That one smells good. Kind of light and fresh. It's not too heavy of a scent. This one is Tranquil. These would probably be good in a bathroom. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, $1.25. Not too bad. I have not seen these before. These are so cute. Look at that. You could put like little LED candles in there, hang them in your patio. Those are really nice. I like the charm. Wait, what? They have wallpaper here at the Dollar Tree? What? It's a peel and stick. Upgrade your furniture. Okay, I've been wanting to put some wallpaper in the back of my bookcases, y'all. Look at this. That would look so good. My bookcase is pretty dark, so this would definitely lighten it up. Let's see if it's seamless. And look at this, y'all. This is seamless. So you have a little project you want to put some wallpaper on, definitely head to the Dollar Tree. These are $1.25. I might have to try it. So they have this one. This is like a cream with silver. They have this navy blue with gold. This pretty floral one. They don't have many of these. This must be popular. And they have like this distressed wooden. And I really am loving this one right here. And they have this is like kind of a fall mauve-y brown color with some gold leaves. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh, that would look so cute like in a bathroom. Oh, the butterflies, the blue butterflies. They have this one. This one's very, very vibrant and fun. Look at this. I like this one. They've got the wood here. And they've got like this marble, kind of marble looking one. So look, you guys, update as often as you want. It looks like you can just peel it, prep it and then it comes on. I'm only seeing one of these, but look how cute these are. They are in the star shape and look how it goes back. I love these. Y'all, these are so handy. I really like these. Folding brush with mirror. Boy, that would be handy in your purse. Let's see what colors they have. They've got green. They've got blue here. Oh, and they even have I have not seen these before. These are so pretty. These are really nice. Look at the bowls. Oh, that's a good size bowl. Really nice bowl there. And they have like the little salad plates. And they've got like the big dinner plates. Those are really pretty. And it looks like they even have some matching placemats. What does this say? Good days start with gratitude. Okay, I like that. And they even have the matching little hand towels. I am loving all of this floral for fall. If you're into making your own floral wreaths or even your own vases, look at this. Oh, I love this. How cute is this? I might have to get that. That'd be good to like put your keys in or just little knickknacks that you have at your house. That is really nice. Oh, it's really pretty good quality too. This nice little woven basket. I'm liking that. All right. If you like to organize, y'all, they have these basket labels. Now, I have seen these at Walmart and they go for so much more than $1.25. So you can like label them and then you just stick them like on your basket. I love those. So you get 3 of these basket labels and they feel pretty good quality too. Want to head over to the fall section, see if they've got any new fall stuff over here. I did a complete video on all of the new Dollar Tree stuff and okay, this is new. This is new right here. $1.25. This is new. I like that. Little hanging wall. See if there's anything else new here. They still have some summer stuff, it looks like. This is like very beachy themed. But yeah, it looks like this section's different. So it looks like they really are going through the fall stuff fast. Definitely. This all was covered in fall. It's now Halloween. So yeah, wow, I can't believe how fast they've gone through all this stuff. They still have some pumpkins left. Now, they're definitely getting all their Halloween stuff. This is all new, you guys. I might come back in here and do a full Halloween Dollar Tree haul here soon. Wall decoration, what is this? I guess it's just some bricks, okay. Creepy cloths they've got, some socks, Halloween candy baskets. Oh, okay. We might have to stop here. What's this? These are little pens. That's cute. Party favors. Okay, what do you do with that? I have no idea. Okay, what else? What else is catching my eye here? Garland. Little skeleton garlands. All right, guys, we're going to have to do a full video, but I'm just giving you all a peek here. Okay, that's kind of cute. A little different pumpkins down there. Got some baskets. We've got some bags. Some coloring things. Ooh, look at these little book of spells, fortune tellers. I like the colors of that there. That's kind of neat, a little different. Okay, here's all some of their fall stuff now. All the ribbon is gone. All the ribbon is gone. These, there's not many of those left either. Wow. Okay, someone said they had some fall peeps. My daughter said they had some fall peeps. Okay. Oh, look at these little pumpkins. Those are cute. This is all new. They've got like a candy bottle baskets. What is this? Oh, am I? Skeleton. Not really into skeletons. Some eyeballs. They got some poison here. Oh, a scary skeleton. Oh, those are tongs. Okay, that's hilarious. These are tongs. Okay. Grab your salad with some skeleton. Ooh, these are new a harvest cider scented candle. We have a toasted marshmallow and a cranberry. These are $5. Let's see if I can smell them. Oh, I can smell that. That smells so good. Oh man, that one is so sweet. Oh, this harvest cider, and let's smell it. Oh my goodness, y'all, these smell so good. Definitely worth the $5 here. They also have these Harvest Mercury jar candles. Now, these are 12 ounces. This is orange cinnamon. They are $5. Okay, I can smell that one, but it's not as good as those other ones. This one is very vanilla. Okay, that one's pretty good. It's a lighter scent, and maybe it's just because it doesn't have like a top on it. It's just not giving so much scent out. Oh, I haven't seen these. These are only $3. I think that's a pretty good deal. This is like one of those acrylic organizers. So you put like lipstick, I guess, and all your little goodies there. I have seen all over like Instagram and stuff. These are $5. Like people putting like different layers inside. Like you could put this inside of there and then you're decorating it. So if you're one to do that, that would be great. It's $5. I like it. Okay, these are absolutely new. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A 2-tiered ghost tray, a 2-tiered bat tray. Okay, do they have a cat? Because I have a black cat, and that would be so cute if they had it in a cat, but I don't see it. I don't see a black cat. Come on. If you had it, I'd be buying that. I am so intrigued by this. This is a root touch-up. Quickly, easily cover grays and roots. I've got a few items I'd like to cover up. For $1.25 might not be a good thing, but they don't really have my color. Looks like they only have like a blonde and a black. I just got like 1 or 2 coming in. I don't know. If they had brown, I'd definitely try it. Sea salt hairspray. Okay, this is new. Jasmine and organic coconut. Wonder how that smells. Yes, they already have some Christmas stuff coming out. Oh, Christmas tree. This is like a pine mist artificial tree room. Okay, look, we got some up there. Found Mindy, my black kitty. Oh, that's so cute. All right, y'all. Looks like that's going to be everything for our Dollar Tree. We're going to go check out. We're going to head to the checkout and get everything that we needed. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link on screen. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, I just had to stop. These are brand new. Look how cute these are. I'm loving the black and the white. Ooh, look at these. Oh, these are like heavy duty. They're stemless wine glasses. They also have the bowls for those to match. Those are really nice. So I bet that this shelf is empty, meaning they're going to be bringing some more stuff in, you guys. Okay, that's it. No, those are not new. I've seen those before.